Welcome to Mega India. Here is a list of top 5 upcoming mega projects in India which is going to be play the major role of in development of our nation. Number 5 Chenab Rail Bridge. A 359-meter high railway bridge is going to be constructed on Chenab River in Ranchi district of Jammu and Kashmir in India. It's said to be the highest in the world, breaking the current record held by 275 meters tall sweep by railway bridge in China, and hence it is on the list of top mega project in India. Number 4 Bharatmala project. The existing project holds the fourth position in our list of top 5 upcoming mega projects in India. Under this project, the government of India was planned to link Gujarat to Mizoram with national highway. Bharatmala project is around 14,000 crore and the expected to complete in next 5 years. The government has also planned to link the coastal area of Maharashtra to West Bengal by the road. Number 3 Setu Bhatram project. In aggregate with the budget of 102 billion, the project holds the third position in our top 5 upcoming mega projects in India. Setu Bhatram project aims to reconstruct 1500 British era bridge and also to ensure no railway crossing along the national highway. A total number of 208 railway crossings will be replaced by the rail overbridge by the end of 2021. The Ministry of Road Transformation and Highway, which established the Indian Bridge Management System (IBMS) in order to carry out the proper inspection of the railway crossing and bridges. Number 2. Sagarmala project. It was launched in the Karnataka by Ministry of Shipping in 31st July 2015 with a total budget of 7.9 lakh crore. Sagarmala project aimed to utilize India's long 7,500 km coastal area and promote to port-led development in country. The Indian government also planned to inland waterway of rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra and Madhyadi. Sagarmala project vision to connect the road, air and rail transformation to the port easily so to achieve an easy and economic way to transfer. And number 1 Mumbai Trans Harbour Link and Shivaji Memorial. With a total budget of 21,600 crore, Mumbai Trans Harbour Link and Shivaji Memorial has secured the first rank in the list of top 5 mega projects in India. After completing, the bridge will be the largest bridge in India with a length of 22.5 km. Previously, four proposals has been rejected by Maharashtra government by the C-Link. The project reduces the traffic of Great Existing as it will be connect the Mumbai with the satellite city Navi Mumbai. The central government also planned to build the great memory of Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji in Mumbai. The project is expected to cost around 3,600 crore and will be take the 4 years to complete. The memory of construct a grand memory of Maratha kingdom, a hall, a great garden with the mighty Shivaji statue in the center. The budget of Navi Mumbai Howrah link is around 21,600 crore and the Shivaji Memorial is around 3,600 crore. The expected time to end is 2021.